guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Shalonda. I am the creator of Living Life with Lawn. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how we transform this space to an updated laundry room. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Shalonda. I create videos about lifestyle, DIY, and organization. And if you've already been living life with lawn, then thank you so much for returning for another video. And don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss an upload from me. I'm sitting at my new desk. I will link that up here somewhere. Let's go ahead and jump on into this video. The reason why you're here, what really prompted this makeover was the fact that our washer stopped working. Rest in peace, old girl. Guys, comment below if any of these laundry rules apply to your household. So guys, this was our second Whirlpool set, and I was a little disappointed that it only lasted about 6 years. Our first set actually lasted for 15. Disclaimer, this space is very outdated. We've lived in our current home for about 13 years, and throughout those 13 years, we've updated several areas, both inside and out, but clearly not this space. When I am doing a makeover on a space, I like to take everything out and start from scratch. To patch the holes, I use Dry Deck spackling. What I like most about using this particular brand is that it goes on pink and it dries white. This was definitely not a sight that we wanted to see after moving our washer. So guys, do not throw your old paint away. Give it a good stir and it's good to go. As long as it has been sealed properly, it will go on just fine. This is actually leftover paint from previous projects that we have done around our home. This is the color Repose Gray. It is by Sherwin-Williams, but we got Home Depot to make it for us. So I knew that I wanted to make new shelves, and so I measured them out with painter's tape so I could give my husband the correct measurements for cutting. So remember those old metal doors? Yep, we spray painted those too. Here she is, guys, the updated laundry room space. Yes, yes, yes. I just love the way it turned out. So let's go ahead and talk about this washer. It's the GE 4.2 cubic feet capacity washer. Online, it rated at a 4.5 out of 5 stars. When making this purchase, we looked at the price. We wanted the same size that we had, if not a little bit smaller, and we wanted to make sure that it was available in store and able to be delivered within a couple of days. That's all for this week's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, if you're not living life with line, then you're missing out. Bye.